Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. If you are facing dating not showing problem on Facebook, then you are on the right video. Watch complete video to learn how to fix dating not showing problem on Facebook. I am going to show you how to fix it. First of all, open Facebook app from your mobile phone and click on three lines at top right. Now scroll down and click on help and support option. Here you have to choose report a problem option. Again click on report problem. Now choose include in report option. Now scroll down and choose status update option. Here you have to describe your problem to Facebook. For example, I am going to write I am missing dating option on my account. Please fix this for me. Now click on send button at top right. Hopefully your problem will be solved within a week. Like and share this video if it works well for you. Also subscribe our Let Me Guide channel and press bell icon to get more problem solving videos. Thank you.